Hey guys, it's Daddy Mike back with another amazing product, and I'm very excited to share this one with you. This is something that's extremely popular these days, the video doorbell. This is a DZEES brand. It's a wireless doorbell that's rechargeable, so it means you don't have to run any wires to power the doorbell because it has a rechargeable battery built in. It comes with a chime. Let's just open this up and look at it right now, and we'll talk more about it. Right on the top we have our user manual, quick start guide. Here we have our video doorbell. It's very nice. I love the way it looks. Has a very nice modern styling. It's also in the box is a charging cable. This is your chime, and we have some other mounting spacers, and then it also comes with screws. Okay, so awesome. Let's install this and see how it works. Hey guys, so this is how I installed the bracket for the doorbell camera. First I drilled a couple of pilot holes where the screws will be, and then I just put the screws in. It's as simple as that. To put the doorbell camera in, just put the bottom in first and snap it like this. And that's it. Hey guys, I've been using the DZEES video doorbell for about a day now, and I really like it. It has great video quality. It's very clear. The sound is good. It notifies you of any movement that it detects. You can have the sensitivity on high, medium, or low. I actually had it on medium, and it was detecting every car that went down the street, so I had to put it on low. And on low it seems to be the perfect setting for me. Works very well. To charge it, you plug your charging cable here in the side, and this light will light up. When it's fully charged, it will turn green. Here on the bottom is the power button and a slot for your micro USB card. Now this has an anti-theft feature. It has an alarm. If someone tries to remove it from the base, the alarm will sound. You have to remember, when you need to remove it to charge it or whatever, you need to remember to turn that alarm feature off on the app, or else when you remove it, the alarm will sound. So I found it very easy to connect to the app and to the Wi-Fi. First you want to download and install your DZEES app on your cell phone. So I'm just going to put this outside right now so we can see some of the great video quality that it has. It's turned on. Whenever it does detect motion, this ring light comes on. So after you download and install the app, you register your account, you add the doorbell to the app, and then you connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi. You will need to have your video doorbell fairly close to your router when you do this, and it will only work with 2.4 gigahertz. It will not work with 5 gigahertz. So it's very easy to connect the DZEES video doorbell. And next you want to connect the chime, and for this your doorbell also needs to be fairly close to the chime, and you need to plug the chime into a power source. And on the chime you push the sync button, the light will flash, and then you press and hold your doorbell button for 6 seconds. The doorbell will then ring twice, and then the chime will ring, and so at that point your connection is successful. You can also change different types of chimes. You can see all your different settings as motion detection setting, notification settings, alarm settings, video settings, chime settings, lighting settings, power settings, audio settings. There's also a very handy installation guide here. And when installing it, it suggests that you have it 5 feet above your floor. I'm very happy with the video quality. It has excellent motion detection. It has great night vision, and when you have a micro SD card in it, it will record when it detects movement Also on the notification settings, when it detects when someone pushes the doorbell, it will actually call your cell phone. So that is extremely nice. So guys, so far I'm finding this DZEES video doorbell excellent. It's working. It works amazingly. So guys, please check it out.